In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move images forward and backward in Google Sheets. This simple yet effective technique will help you organize and present your data more visually, allowing you to customize your spreadsheet according to your needs. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google Sheets document where you'd like to add and arrange your images. Start by navigating to the menu bar at the top of the page. You're going to click on the Insert option. This step is crucial as it will allow us to access the feature we need to add visual elements to your spreadsheet. Once you've clicked Insert, you'll notice a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Drawing. This option opens up a drawing tool within Google Sheets that offers a variety of shapes, text boxes, and image options for customizing your sheet. It might seem surprising, but this built-in drawing tool provides an easy way to manage how images interact with your content. Now let's upload your images. Inside the drawing tool, you'll find an image icon in the toolbar. Click on it to upload the images you wish to use. You can either drag and drop them from your files or upload them directly from your computer. Ensure your images are of good quality and aligned with the purpose of your document. With the images uploaded, it's time to edit them as needed. You can resize them or adjust their orientation to fit better with the text or other data in your spreadsheet. This is a good moment to make sure your images don't overwhelm the information on your sheet, but rather complement it. Next, let's organize these images to your liking. To do this, simply right-click on an image. You'll see an order option in the context menu that appears. This feature allows you to reorder your images, crucial for achieving the layered look that you might be aiming for, especially if images overlap each other. Finally, click on Bring Forward or Bring to Front to adjust the position of your selected image. Choosing Bring Forward will move the image forward one layer, while Bring to Front places it on top of all other elements on your sheet. This step can be repeated for any images that require repositioning. Feel free to experiment with different orders until you achieve the desired layout. And there you have it, a straightforward method to move images forward and backward in Google Sheets. With these steps, you can create professional and visually appealing spreadsheets that capture attention and communicate your message effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try this out with different datasets and images. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.